Hey, iPhone users, ever wondered if the back glass of your iPhone 12 can be replaced? Well, I'm here to break it down for you. First off, yes, it can be replaced, but there's a catch. Unlike older models, the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 require a trained expert to do the job. Why? Because Apple made these devices with precision, packing a lot of tech into a sleek design. To replace the back glass, an expert will need to open your device, take apart some of its components, and carefully attach a new part. It's not as simple as swapping out a screen protector. Trust me. Now you might be thinking, can't I just do it myself? Well, technically you could try, but it's risky. You could end up damaging internal components or even voiding your warranty. Plus, the tools and parts needed aren't exactly things you'll find lying around at home. So, if you're facing a cracked back glass, your best bet is to visit an authorized repair center. They have the right tools and training to get your iPhone looking brand new without compromising its performance. And hey, while you're at it, consider getting a sturdy case to prevent future mishaps. It's a small investment that can save you a lot of trouble down the line. So, there you have it. Replacing the back glass on your iPhone 12 is totally doable, but leave it to the pros. Keep your device safe and keep enjoying that seamless Apple experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks.